How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode I wanted to show you this incredible find we found, and it's a good bit of foraging to be honest, but some of you might know this as chicken of the woods. And I mean, look at the size of this thing. This is going to create so many meals for us. This is going to be so delicious, and I've been looking for one of these for years, and me and my friends managed to find one today. We weren't even trying to forage, but we just stumbled across this thing, and sometimes that's the best way to find these things. So yeah, in this episode I just wanted to show you this absolute beauty, and we're going to be cooking some of this up tonight. And it's going to be some tasty dinner. Then we will preserve some of this, and we'll be able to create some tasty food in the future as well. So let's go into the video. So first we're going to want to clean this thing up. As you can see, it's got a little bit of dirt on it, it's got a couple of cobwebs, but that's no worries, it's all good. But this thing is going to be absolutely incredible, and you can see how big it is, and this thing has some serious weight to it as well. Start by cutting off a few of the dodgy looking bits. It really doesn't matter because there's so much of it, and underneath that is going to be the most delicious chicken of the woods you've ever tasted.